Hello guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert charts on MS Word. So first of all, to open MS Word, opening it here, I'm just going to create a blank document. And for adding charts, here on the top, you can see here many options, and here as an option, you can see here insert, click on that. And from here as an option, you can see here chart, click on that. And from here, you can just choose the chart, choose the type of chart that you wanted. And after choosing the type of chart, you can click on OK. And from here, you can just type the things you wanted. And then you can see that you have been added chart. If you want to change the type of this chart, then here on the top, you can see the variety types of charts. Click on that and then you can just change it. So this is how you can insert chart on MS Word. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.